Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Good Times for All. There's Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. Today's video, we're going to take a look at polarized light and reflections. We have our camera here pointed at our original light source, which is a flashlight, and our reflection, which is a hemispherical lens. As you can see, we can see both reflections in the camera. I'm going to go ahead and start this recording now. And you should see the other video up in the corner of the picture. So we will take one of our Polaroid filters here. And these are kind of scratched up here, folks. We've been playing a lot with them. But as you can see, nor here or here, when I put it in front of the camera and rotate it, nothing really happens. One Polaroid filter doesn't do much to the light source. What I found was very interesting though, when I cover the original light source and grab the other filter, you come back here and look, and as I put it in front of this, the camera, you'll see here, watch this. You can block out the original light source, but the reflection still remains just as bright. So the original light source is gone, but the reflection is just as bright as it's ever been. You cannot block Polaroid light's reflection. I can put it up here and you'll see the reflection stays nice and bright, but the background, there has to be a Polaroid filter over that original light. And just because there is doesn't mean that the second source will be blocked out by a single filter. We would need an additional filter to block out the reflected light over the reflected light itself. See, if I were to take this and lay it over this, now that one disappears and is gone. So it all has to do with a polarization field, I would call it. You need to have some kind of field polarizing a light source in order for a single polarized lens, like I have here, to actually block it out. So what is going on with that other object we're picking up behind the sun and a hydrogen alpha filter that is also able to be polarized out? This is the only way I can get light to polarize any type of man-made light, is by putting a Polaroid filter in front of it. So I just thought that was interesting. But that's the basics of the whole, why this other object we're seeing up there in the sky, why it being polarized is so big. The original light source I don't know, folks. You tell me. This is Good Times for All here, signing out. As always, thanks for watching.